saya Manu Green, saya dari Medan Delhi. Saya ada penyakit nggak bisa jalan. Saya jatuh dari kereta 2015. Saya nggak bisa apa-apa. Aku datang sini jumpa dokter Sunil.
I first saw Mr. Manu Green, a 28-year-old pleasant gentleman who hails from Indonesia. He had increasing complaints of pain, stiffness and inability to walk properly from the past 4 years or so. He didn't have much pain to start off with, but the pain increased to such an extent as also the stiffness that when he saw me about a month and a half back, he could hardly walk a few steps without pain. So he had a shuffling gait, he could not lift up, his spine also was bent. So patient did absolutely well after the surgery. He started walking the very next day with the help of a walker, and now he's 4 weeks down the line and he's able to walk without support, and he's ready to go back to his hometown in Indonesia. So these kind of complex primary hip replacements such as ankylosed fused hips, our hips are fused in different degrees of deformity, poses a challenge to the surgeon and the team, and it requires meticulous planning and a full armamentarium of implants to make sure that the surgery carries on well. And not only this, it also requires a good team effort as well as a team from the proper anesthesia techniques for this patient, as also the nursing staff and the support staff and physiotherapy to make sure that the outcome is excellent.
Siap fisioterapi, saya belajar jalan pelan-pelan sampai 1 minggu. Saya belajar jalan pakai tongkat 3 bulan. Saya udah bisa jalan lepas dari belakang. Manu nggak ada sehat, udah siap operasi. Makasih Manipal Hospital Bangalore, Dr. Sunil Kini.